Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to search product by camera or image on Amazon. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Amazon has announced that roll out a new visual search feature for users. This should make it easier for you to find what you're looking for among everything on the store. So, in this video, I will show you how to do it, how to search product by camera or image. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Amazon. Now, as you can see in here on the search bar, there is an option like camera icon. You can just tap on that. And in here, you can search the item. You can capture the item that you want to search on Amazon, maybe like this one. You can capture it like this. And you'll find the products like this. It's so simple, right? And if you want to search by image, you can just tap on the gallery icon. You can choose on the photo or image. It's very simple. Ahead of Amazon Prime Deals Day, the company is rolling a visual suggestion when someone searches for a item with a visual description like flannel skirt. Amazon gives the user image suggestion that represent different style of flannel sheet. This is supposed to help the customers get more detailed with their search and find product that closely match to search look. It's very simple, right? So that is how to search product by camera or image on Amazon. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.